Here I am starting my fingertip length wedding veil, and you'll see me actually sewing the lace on to the edge of the veil. It's a pretty slow process to do this. It takes quite a bit of time, but it's fun once you get the hang of it. I have a Singer sewing machine that has worked well for me. I got it for my 16th birthday, and it has held up for all of these years and for many projects as well. The slower you can stitch the lace to the edge of the veil, the better, because you'll just get more even stitches, and you'll be able to ensure that the tulle is all laying flat. As you can see, I'm very careful to make sure that there aren't any bumps or creases in the tulle before I start to sew. And the reason that you don't really see the thread is because I'm actually using an invisible thread. So contact me if you have questions or if you'd like to see some free samples. This is just a day in the life.